Greek who didn't have Fasolakia Lathera in their house. You're not Greek if you didn't eat it.
Everybody I've known that's Greek has had Fasolakia Lathera. Flat green runner beans, patatas, tomato, lots of onions, garlic, herbs. Let's go cook it, taste it,
Eat it.
and share with you guys. Yes. For this recipe, I'm adding enough oil just to cover the bottom. That's my general rule of thumb when I'm cooking.
What temperature you have it at?
Medium. I'm going to add our sliced onions and garlic. Add your garlic in with the onions. It's a little tip so that your garlic doesn't burn. A little bit of salt, just a pinch. That's going to help draw out the moisture and cook your onions. Fasolakia Lathera is a very easy recipe. It's pretty much dump everything into the pot. Let's throw in one large potato. It's probably about 2 medium potatoes here. Now, I cut the potatoes differently for the fasolakia, more like fork-sized pieces. And I'll show you what I mean. I go like this with my potato. Do it again. So that's the wedge. A little bit of cracked black pepper, 1/8 of a teaspoon. I just got ground allspice here, 1/8 of a teaspoon. You can use freshly grated tomato for this, or the passata, okay? I'm gonna put it 1/2 cup. You wanna have tomato in there to add flavor, but you wanna make a tomato sauce out of this either. I'm just getting the stems off of the mint. I've got about 2 tablespoons of mint, about 1/2 cup of parsley, 1/2 cup of dill. In go the herbs.
That smells great.
I'm gonna put a little bit of water at this point, just put a 1/2 cup, not much. Put our lid on. 5 minutes. Excellent convenience product from Greece. Barbastathis flat runner beans. Frozen product, ready to go. You don't have to pull the stringy parts off, nothing. Add about 1/2 a bag of these fasolakia into our cazzarola. Tad a little bit more water. We're gonna check in about 15 minutes, okay?
Okay.
All right, look at our fasolakia.
Looks nice.
I think it needs a little bit of water still. So it doesn't stick in the bottom. Okay, we got our knife. Let's check our potatoes. Fork tender. I'm gonna add a little more oil. 3-4 tablespoons. A little bit more chopped fresh dill. Probably about 1/4 cup for this.
Look at that.
I'm gonna turn the heat off of this. It's done. I think a little bit more cracked black pepper. Yes?
Why not?
Yeah. 1/8 of a teaspoon. We're gonna taste and see if we need a little more salt. I need some salt, but otherwise we're good. I'm gonna put a little more allspice. That's it. Pinch. One more taste. This is still a bit more. Now we're gonna be good. Fasolakia Lathera ready to go.
Looks delicious.
Listen, here we go. This is, that's what the bread's for.
So yummy. So healthy for you. And so delicious.
Just like Mama makes. Yiayia, your thea. This is down-home summer cooking.
Another spectacular dish, and there's more to come.
And we'll see you the next cooking second.